Hey guys, come with me, let's go on a journey from the north of the island of Mauritius to discover Chamarel, which is about 70 kilometers and a 1 hour 47 minutes drive from where I live. During the drive, we had a quick stop at Bagatelle Mall. Sadly, I forgot to make a video. After all the stressful drive, I'm basking under the hot sun of Mauritius. We finally arrived Chamarel! Guys, let's admire the beauty of the tallest single drop waterfall in Mauritius. It is a 100-meter waterfall cascading down a rocky cliff. A splash of wonder, wouldn't you agree?
Thank you.
Had to take a small bathroom break and change my clothes.
Going to go
Chamarel.
Chamarel is the 7 colors of the earth. J'ai touché la tortoise.
Tortue.
Hein?
Tortue.
J'ai touché la tortue. Maintenant, moi, I don't know what to say in French. Mais si tu as venu ici, il faut toucher la tortue. Merci. Fini. So this is what it looks like here. You have people sitting and drinking, and then you have this. The Seven Colored Earths is the most famous attraction in Chamarel. The geological wonder consists of sand dunes with stripes of vibrant red, violet, blue, green, yellow, and brown colors. The colors are formed due to the decomposition of volcanical ash layers with different mineral composition, covering an area of 7,500 meters square of impressively bare landscape.
Grab your jacket and your shades. We're taking leave from this bleak satin. Somewhere we'll be miles away. Oh, and the red sky will be melting.
I can just go in here. This is it. Tell me what you think about Chamarel.
Mais si c'est du quête mot, il n'y en a rien qui pousse là-dessus. Ouais. Regarde, tu vois tout ça? Il y a combien de tiers de basalte? Auparavant, on laisse les clients manger dedans. Et puis ils ont pris. Ah oui,
d'accord.
Là, la compagnie, tout le monde dehors, les palmiers étaient là. Il faut aller. Et tout ça, il y en a auparavant.
The drive was really stressful and long. It is a whole day journey if you are coming from the north, but the view of the waterfall kind of makes up for it. The 7 colors of the earth feels a little overhyped for me, but it's beautiful in person.
Looking down upon this land, I love the rugged terrain, all of the colors, the grit and dirt. The heat on my skin makes me feel free. The smell of the desert in the air, my heart unravels as I seek peace. Hey, I love the scarring of the earth, I love the way the land gets burned. I never thought that I could connect with this energy, of there ever being anything but you and me. I feel a warmth that is engulfing me so fully.
So guys, this is There's no sand.
Only rocks here. Beautiful, nice rocks. Only rock. It's rock everywhere.
No single sand, but rock.
Plenty of
I'm overwhelmed by its beauty, its entirety. Yeah, yeah.
Playing games are messing me up, breaking me down. Don't wanna think about all the things we've been through together.